If you've been battling with acne, pimples, whiteheads, blackheads, worry no more, because this mask is going to help you drastically reduce your acne, pimples, whiteheads, and blackheads. The very first ingredients we're going to be needing to make this mask is sulfur. This is sulfur powder. Sulfur is really great for treating acne breakouts like pimples, whiteheads, blackheads, and so on. It removes excess oil from the skin's surface. I'll be using 1 tablespoon of the sulfur powder, so I'm going to add it into my container, and then I'm going to try to break the clumps, because sulfur usually has clumps even when it's in its powdered form. So we're going to try to break the clumps. This will help us to have a smooth powder. Next, we have bentonite clay. Bentonite clay is a really active ingredient for treating acne and acne breakouts. Bentonite clay is really great for reducing inflammation. It has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory property. It can help to reduce excess oil from the surface of the skin, so it is great. I'll also be adding in 1 tablespoon of the bentonite clay into the sulfur powder. Now we are going to combine both of the ingredients together. We are keeping this very simple, and that's why we're using just these 2 powders, and then I will show you how to mix it for use. If you're finding this video helpful, please make sure you like, drop a comment, ask your questions, and also subscribe for more videos. After mixing, you can store this in a jar and then take from it for each use, and I will show you how to mix it for use each time you want to use it. Because this contains bentonite clay, we're going to mix with a plastic bowl and spoon. I'll be using 1 tablespoon of the mixture we just prepared. To mix, I'll be using this face oil I prepared in my previous video. If you've not seen it, I'll drop a link to it in the description box. If you don't have this, you can use any other oil. As long as the oil will not clog your pores, you can use honey, you can use glycerin, or even rose water or distilled water. Now we're going to add some drops of the oil in order to make the mask liquid enough for us to apply on the face. Do not add too much so that your mask will not be too watery, and do not add too little so that your mask will not be too hard to spread on the face. Once you add enough oil, now mix until everything is well combined. Yet it might turn a little pinkish, and that's because of the sulfur. The sulfur makes it turn pink. This mask should be applied on the face, leave it for about 10 minutes, and then wash it off. And it should be used once or twice a week, nothing more than that. So please, if you've been battling with acne and acne breakouts, try out this mask. It might just be what your skin needs. If you watched this video till this point, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you learned something new. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.